Oh, no one's here. Free studio. I can finally make some beats. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, hold on a second. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today we'll be making hybrid trap. Welcome in another music production video. Today we'll be making... Okay, so recently I released a sample pack, a free sample pack called Nebula. It's a free glitch sample pack. There's a lot of glitches, really digital sounding sounds. Just check them out. If you wanna get a pack, check out oversampled.us. You can get it for free. There's nothing you need, only the internet connection to just get to the website and download the pack. So I think because like a TYNAN is making this hybrid trap thing when he puts like I don't know exactly how he does this, but it sounds like he's putting like a glitch, like really digital sounding sounds, like one after another, just looping the same piece of a glitch. So I think that's what we can do today. We can start arranging something with these glitches. I've been listening to a lot of TYNAN. He's freaking insane. Like, he's making such mind-blowing drops. So there's a couple of patterns that he uses, like kick and snare pattern, and there's a ride also going on with this. That's what we have to add as well. And like the bass is it's like a repetition, like 1/8 or something like that. So that's what we are gonna be doing today. Let's just start with maybe laying some drums. So I am almost finishing the hybrid trap and rhythm sample pack. And if you go to the description right now, you can join a waiting list. And once the pack drops, which will be in this month at the end, you will get immediately notified. Set the tempo to like 150, go like this, and then we put a ride here. Also check the volumes, that is really important. Let's find some cool glitches that we can just go and repeat that are having a really cool like some cool parts that we can repeat. He sometimes like does like a so that half a bar there's like a A section, and then there's a B section, and there's A section, and I don't know what's there, but I would say like a C section. Do something here, and then it's gonna be the main bass, something here, main bass, and maybe the ending is gonna be different. And if you want to learn sections, I've been listening to a lot of songs and I've noticed a lot of patterns. That's how I know what to do, like when I'm making a track. So it's not that I'm making this up, although sometimes you can come up with a really cool pattern and it may sound unique, but like most of the times the patterns in songs repeat. So it's really a great idea to just listen to songs and analyze them so you have an idea of what patterns you should use in your songs. That sounds pretty nice. And we could just cut this. Create fades on clip edges. This is a really useful function because when you cut something, it creates these fades at the end and the beginning of the sample, and it doesn't click. Wait, what's happening? Oh, okay. So I'm gonna duplicate this, take this somewhere else, because that may work later. Oh, there's like an ARP here going on. Right here. So that's like, you can make a lot of really cool patterns, really cool different melodies with just aligning samples and chopping them up. And if you have like a creative block, you can do this. That is cool. Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking about. So this is A, B, C, A, B, D. So that's the section. Now what we can do is we can take these sounds and layer them together, like layer these with another sounds, chop them up, and then put a bass underneath. Cut the low end. Oh, then that's cool as well. Different positions of the combination of these samples give different sounds. That's different patterns. That's really cool. So we can do a slightly different pattern to see which one will work better. Okay, this is cool. A different pattern. Something like that. Okay, so let's just put now a brass sound. And put this guy here. Yeah, so when you're working with glitches, they are not in like any specific tune, any specific scale, so you have to all the time make sure that they fit your bass line and they're actually tonally right. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, that's better. Repeat this here. Okay, we can do like this. We can copy this part so it repeats and the ending is different here. Okay, but maybe because the rhythm is like we should automate the volume of this one and make it move. Like there. How about this? Okay, but this has to be... We can now duplicate this maybe. Or maybe put this guy as well here. Okay. I know it's clipping all the time. It just does. Deal with it. But you can't clip, that's illegal. See, you see clipping? Ah, there's no clipping anymore. See how nice of a sausage this is? Does it need OTT, you ask? Of course. I didn't even put OTT here. That's illegal. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so that's the final product. Let's take a listen. Cool. Hope you enjoyed this and I hope you learned something. Make sure to join a waiting list if you're interested in getting notified when the sample pack hybrid trap will drop. Make also sure to download this free sample pack. So have a nice day or night and see ya in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can slide on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.